Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to link Monster Hunter with Apple ID. So let's get started. First of all, launch open the Monster Hunter Now application. Make sure that you are signed into the main gameplay. Once you are logged in, go ahead and tap on your profile avatar at the bottom left corner. Now, tap on Settings from the options. Scroll down and right where you can see the linked accounts option, tap on Apple ID box. Go ahead and log in with your Apple ID and its password, or simply log in using your Face ID, and you will be able to link Apple with Monster Hunter Now. That is how it's quickly done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.